Hi folks, welcome back. Well, we're going for more paint prep. Started tonight with the water tanks that you can see hanging down. There was a load of crud, I don't know, like surface rust on the seams. Don't know why. Well, obviously it's supposed to be stainless. I've rubbed off these corners which had really bad paint reaction with something, so there was a load of filler on it, so I took it off. Likewise here, rubbed it all off. There's two little holes, that one and that one, so gonna try and mig them up. That's where the reflector was, obviously where the two screw holes were. Same again, it's got a load of filler on it, so I'm going to take more off that. That was just to sort of expose it and see. So yeah, onward and upwards, as they say. There was a dent under the window there, which you used to see as you walked along, so I managed to dolly that out, hammer that out. I say just try to get as much done, save the painter. And my windbreak there, Simba having a scratch, he's got a visitor. No, the wind's absolutely howling up the alley, so I put this windbreak just to stop. So I made a start on this side. We had a piece of filler which had cracked, so I exposed the crack to see exactly what the damage was. There's nearly 3/4 inch of filler at one point there. As I've started taking it out, that was last night, you can see the rust there. Basically I get absolutely drowned. The rain, the heavens opened, and I had to just quickly pack everything away. So carried on, got the rest of the crud off, and as you can see, there's virtually no damage. I don't know why they had as much filler on it as they had. So it goes from nothing on the panel edge there to about 2 mil in the middle. I just don't get it. I don't get why. This corner here had bent in towards the wheel. Obviously it'd been bollarded, somebody's caught a bollard turning a corner sharply, whatever, and rather than trying to fix it, they've just, I don't know, went mad with a tin of filler. Likewise, front bottom of the door arch here, there was a load of like bubbling in the paint, so I've ground it all out there, and what it is, it's directly in line with the drain off channels, which are choke solid. So I've cleared the drain channels. I'll carry on, get some more out of it, and same again, just MIG-ing the little holes that are there. There's no point in digging out and putting plates in because the rest of the metal's solid. It's 25 to 8, and I've just about had enough. Been a beautiful night. It's the first one we've had this week, so packed all the stuff away and gave it a coat of primer just to protect it for the night. Most of it'll just get taken straight back out again, but it's just, obviously if it starts raining, the next mission is to take this grill off and see what's hiding behind all this rust down here, because there's obviously something. So I'll go on with that one at another night. Likewise, gave that a coat of primer, same again, just to protect the metal that I've exposed. So if you get this arch, you see, same again, it's Loads of little bits of surface rust appearing on it. Don't know why, whether it's just stone chips and whatever, but I'm going to expose it all. Just make sure there's no nasties hiding. Right, another night. So, got the grill off, and there's a load of surface rust. But that's basically all it is, other than the little bit at the bottom. There was a big patch of filler hiding behind all that rust. So, I'm going to cut that bit out and patch that in. And the rest basically just wants vac tanning and a little skim of filler. So I've started sort of a grinding back with the wire brushes and whatnot, trying to take as much of the surface rust as I can, but there's bits I can't get into because my little cut brushes, I've seen better days. The the strands have all fell out it, so I need something just to get around these edges. So I'll come back to this tomorrow night. As I say, it is just gone 8 o'clock, so I've had enough. I've been at it since 8 o'clock this morning at work, and then I came in straight out here. So another night, a load of new cut brushes later, and as you can see, got most of it now. A couple of wee bits I've still got to get. So I'll put the wheel in. I've got like a 75mm wheel which will reach the back of there. The one I had last night just wouldn't. I say I'll maybe cut that out and get that ready for welding a plate in. So as you see, I got the 75mm wire brush on the drill and just take the last wee bits, and then I'll get it all vac tanned up, and hopefully we're a step closer. And I say I'm just trying to help the painter out as much as I can, so that it's all things that are really fiddly and awkward, and you know yourself, fiddly and awkward takes time. Time is money, so the more I can do, the less I've got to pay. So anyway, that's my philosophy in life, so if I can help out, I will. But yeah, it's a laborious, unthankful job. But as you can see, the little wire brush gets the last of the bits of rust off. Normally I would just brush on the vac tan, but because of the awkwardness of it and where it's going and whatever, I'm going to put it in the little spray gun and I'll spray it up. So put it in the little spray gun, and I've basically blown it in all round, let that go off, and I'll basically give the painter it like that, and he can do whatever he wants then, whether he wants to do an etch primer or whatever, and take it from there. But that's it, it's all vac tanned. The piece that needs welding in's all cut out, well, as best I could. My little cut off tool decided to shit itself. So it's 7:45 and I've done enough for the night. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and if you liked the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care out there. Ta-ra for now.